In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export Adobe Illustrator as a PDF step by step. Whether you're preparing a file for professional printing, sending artwork to a client, or creating a smaller file for email or web upload, exporting properly as a PDF is essential. I'll walk you through each setting so you know exactly what to choose and why. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Adobe Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure your artwork is finalized and ready to export. Double-check your layout, images, fonts, and alignment so everything looks exactly how you want it. Once you're ready to export, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. This is important. Don't choose Export unless you specifically need another format. For creating a proper PDF with full control over quality and settings, Save As is the correct option. After clicking Save As, a new window will appear. The first thing you need to do here is choose the location where you want to save your file. You can save it to your desktop, a specific client folder, an external drive, or cloud storage, wherever makes the most sense for your workflow. Naming your file clearly at this stage is also a good habit, especially if you're creating multiple versions. Next, look for the Format drop-down menu in the same window. Click on it, and from the list of available formats, choose Adobe PDF, or PDF. This tells Illustrator that you want to save your artwork as a PDF document rather than as another Illustrator file. Once Adobe PDF is selected as the format, click the Save button. As soon as you do that, a new window called Save Adobe PDF will appear. This is where the important quality settings are located. At the top of this window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Adobe PDF Preset. This is where you decide how your PDF will be optimized. Let's quickly break down the two most commonly used options. If you're preparing your design for professional printing, choose High Quality Print. This preset keeps your images sharp, maintains high resolution, and preserves overall quality. It's ideal for brochures, posters, business cards, and any project that will be physically printed. On the other hand, if you're sharing your file through email, uploading it to a website, or simply want a smaller file size, choose Smallest File Size. This preset compresses the file to reduce its size while still maintaining good visual quality for digital use. It's perfect for online portfolios or quick previews. After selecting the preset that matches your needs, you can leave the rest of the settings as they are if you're a beginner. Illustrator's default preset settings are usually well optimized. However, if you're more advanced, you can explore options like compression, marks and bleeds, or security settings depending on your project requirements. Once you're satisfied with your preset selection, click the Save PDF button at the bottom of the window. Illustrator will now generate your PDF file and save it to the location you selected earlier. Depending on your file size and complexity, this may take a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Adobe Illustrator file as a PDF. As a quick recap, go to File, click Save As, choose your save location, select Adobe PDF as the format, click Save, choose your PDF preset, and then click Save PDF. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.